So when you're missing a tooth, your surgeon can discuss with you different options to replace that tooth. You definitely need to replace that tooth because if you don't, the two side teeth will drift in and the tooth on top can eventually drift down. It doesn't happen right away, but it does do that in time. What are some options to replacing a single tooth that's missing? The dental implant would be the best option. Of course, there's several options, but I'll explain to you the difference between a 3-unit bridge versus a single tooth implant. When you're missing a tooth, the two side teeth can eventually drift in, and the top tooth, where you're missing the tooth, can eventually drift down. It doesn't happen right away, but it can eventually happen. So your option is to place a dental implant, and then we place the tooth right on top of that. So that is the best alternative. Another alternative would be to shave down the adjacent teeth, and sometimes that could be a little aggressive because if the teeth have nothing wrong with them, why shave them down? So a 3-unit bridge would be that other alternative. And the drawback on this is that all the teeth are connected, so it would be a little bit difficult to floss here, although you would have to use some floss threaders to get underneath that bridge. Another thing to consider is if anything ever happens to this bridge, the whole thing would have to come out. As opposed to if you're replacing a missing tooth, all you focus in on is the tooth that's missing. And in my opinion, it would be the best alternative.